My name is Bill Kelly. I'm a realtor working the Bluffton, Hilton Head areas of South Carolina. I'd like to introduce you to 15 Chadbourne Street, located in Hampton Hall, a community right in the dead center of greater Bluffton area. Very easy access to all the amenities in the community, as well as shopping, dining, and entertainment outside the community. Below this video in the description, you'll find links to additional information such as the MLS listing, additional photos, a 3D tour walkthrough as well. We just want to give you a quick tour of this property. It's a beautiful home. Hope you enjoy it.